Hey Gemini, welcome back. This is A from High Five Sci Five Saro, and this is your Sun, Moon, Rising sign, and Venus general reading for the sign of Gemini. Please take what resonates and leave what doesn't. If it doesn't resonate, that's okay. Perhaps next month's message is the one for you. But I've always believed in synchronicity, so there must be something in here that you need to hear today. Thank you for being here and welcome back. Apologies for any background noise. The neighbors' roosters are always up. I need my light right now. My lighting is good. It's not raining, so I would love to shoot now. What's bothering you, Gemini? Something has been keeping you up lately? I can't help but feel paranoia, overthinking, analysis paralysis could be very up in your head about um, an issue. I'm not sure yet if this has something to do with relationship. I mean, romance or work relationships. It could also be with your career. Anxiety. Your anxiety is on the roof. About what, Gemini? What do you want, Gemini? What's happening with Gemini? Ooh, counterintuitively, you could be in a rest mode. Ah, for some of you, maybe you have left a situation behind. Could be a work situation, resign from work. It could also be left a romantic situation, but you don't. You're overthinking about it, but could also be you really want to enjoy your rest right now, but you can't help but overthink about the situation. Um, Another situation I see here, wedding jitters. You just want to take a break. But same energy, you're overthinking about planning, wedding planning perhaps. You are on a sabbatical, could be, or you have resigned from your work, but the thinking just doesn't stop. The planning just doesn't stop. A dream wedding of yours is about to happen, perhaps, but there are issues at hand that needs to be dealt with. Ooh, nice. Why do I feel like I'm leaning more towards wedding jitters? So why do I feel that you are about to be married for to the love of your life, but you may have different backgrounds or different social status, if I may put it that way. You are from a different, say, race, different social status. Perhaps you have relocated to meet your person, but perhaps the wedding is has to be done differently from where you're from. Cultural differences, maybe. And it gives you pressure, perhaps stress. You're stressing about this. You have taken a leave, say a sabbatical or leave from work, but you thought you could rest, but you are filled with anxiety related to a big event in your life. Delays, some shakeup is happening, some conflict also is happening. Perhaps the plan is going well, but issues just doesn't stop. Perhaps one day you thought everything has been planned perfectly. You have talked to suppliers, and then the next thing you know, the supplier another supplier backs out, or one day your friends have confirmed attending your wedding, the next day they would tell you that they can't take a they their leave wasn't approved to attend your wedding. Issues just keep coming up, and Gemini is tired. There's also some conflict here. I don't know, maybe you have this dream wedding, perhaps a dream wedding destination, and you want to push through with it, but people around you are telling you it's not wise to do it there. It may not be wise to execute it in that place. And so they are offering you solutions, but you're not accepting any kind of solution. That is what I'm seeing here. It could also be that, I don't know, maybe you thought everything has been planned flawlessly, and now you receive a letter, a legal letter, talking about your previous marriage. That you need to show up, you need to return home, and you need to attend some court hearing. Maybe it could be that kind of issue. When you think everything is working out as planned, something will just come up out of the blue, and it will just ruin your mojo. It will ruin your mood, and it just tires you. You just can't take a break. It just keeps on getting stalled. Everything is just being delayed, and perhaps it causes you frustration, if not lack of sleep. Perhaps for some of you, you're now starting to lose interest in planning this big event out. Something that you think will bring you um, joy at this time and a sense of fulfillment, it's just keep on getting delayed. The universe is not conspiring just yet to make it happen. But the affirmation is that you have such good cards here. I always say that Geminis are always lucky. Luck is always on Gemini's side. You have everything that you need to make it happen. Perhaps it's not yet the right timing. It's not yet time for you to be married this month. Maybe you might want to double check your lunar calendar, and a new moon would be a perfect time for marriage. It could be that, but these two cards are clear are clear affirmations that you are manifesting what you truly want, and you are on your way to a life well lived, to a very fulfilling partnership, to a very fulfilling connection. And Four of Wands right here, in fact, this is a wedding card. Look at them enjoying their time together, um, silencing everything around them, and just enjoying the time being alone. Time together, celebrating, maybe with friends, but there's always a time for celebrations with friends. It's a celebratory vibe. November is a celebratory vibe. Maybe this could also speak of an engagement, a recent engagement. Wedding is not yet in the works, it has not yet been planned. And perhaps this could also mean that you are in the first stages of planning with your wedding. Maybe this is also an invitation from the universe that you don't need to rush. You could take your time having that break, taking a break, and release yourself from this overthinking energies. Um, it may not do good on your health. It may take a toll on itself, on your health, and in the process, you will just lose the energy for it. The least person who should lose the energy for it is you, Gemini. So just release. That is what the energy I am getting here, because there's also conflicts, perhaps frustration, injustice. You have been served with some legal letter about a previous I don't know, I'm hearing karma. You may have done something in the past, dear Gemini, that the universe wants you to pay for it now. Maybe the universe is telling you to confront what you have swept under the rug in the past. Confront it first, then I will give you this celebration. Perhaps that's a deeper meaning in this, in all of this. There's also conflict here. Whatever it is that you are pushing, um, wanting to happen right here, right now, maybe it's not yet time for it, and you are being stubborn and wanting to do it now. What you might want to do now is to confront what you have. I don't know. Did you did you get divorced? Did you have some issues? Do you have an outstanding debt, perhaps, or there's a case? Maybe there could be a case against you, and it just resurfaced. Perfect timing. You hate the fact that it everything unpleasant is resurfacing now, that you are ready to move on with your life, to move forward with the love of your life. But if you are thinking that you are not meant to be with the love of your life, that's not true, because the universe wants to give you something that you truly deserve, a life that is emotionally satisfying for you. But maybe you have to come clean first. That is what I'm getting. You have to come clean first, and you have to release yourself from past soul contracts, from past mistakes, and be accountable for your past mistakes. Maybe that is what the universe is trying to tell you. Be mindful that you are manipulating the situation. Say, whatever this big event is, I'm really leaning towards a wedding. You have you have your own timeline for your wedding, but a higher being or the universe has bigger plans for you. You may have had issues with finances in the past. You may be indebted with someone. You may owe somebody, I don't know, money. You may have not settled your previous marriage. Whatever it is that you haven't settled, that you haven't resolved, the universe is telling you to resolve it now, because it might ruin your life in ways that you wouldn't like. It will come out, it will resurface in the future in a way that is totally ugly. So you might want to postpone that wedding, and there's a right time for it. And that time is when you have finally settled what you need to settle. Push for it, push for the wedding, and maybe there's failure on the way. Delays are sometimes a good sign, because it redirects you. It tells you to reroute, or it tells you to halt, or to not push for things that are not meant to happen, because timing is everything. There's a divine time for everything. If you have resigned or retired or had that sabbatical leave, take that to take to rest and regenerate, and plan for not the wedding but plan for ways you could settle what you need to settle. There's something Gemini has swept under the rug in the past, and it's perhaps a dirty little secret by Gemini. And before it cause you pain, cause pain to people you love, or cause troubles in the future, it seems like the universe is telling you to take action on that now, because there's you have free will though. You can choose to postpone it, but it will eventually resurface. And don't worry, Gemini, because you have all the positive cards here. Something is manifesting, something good, something nice, something emotionally fulfilling is manifesting in your life. But there are just things that need to be confronted. You have to confront first the elephant in the room, so that the victory is sweeter when the right timing has come for your wedding. Say for your wedding. What do you want Gemini to? Oh, fell down. Let me just get it. My home is my castle. This is an affirmation that you have built the experiences. You have built stability in your life, enough for you to um, help you with whatever issue that you are facing right now, Gemini. Trust yourself, trust your ability to get through, and know that friends and family are always behind you. You are not alone in this battle. And this issue or whatever problem that you would be facing or you are facing right now, whatever issue, conflict that you are facing right now, it will not be given to you if you cannot um, overcome it. So this is a sign and an affirmation that you have the power and the ability to overcome it. You have been tried and tested by time. You have that wisdom in you to conquer and to overcome it. Just face it head on, and you will be fine. If you are diagnosed with anxiety, you might want to seek professional help, because I don't think it would be helpful for me to say that you have to let this um, murmurs go. It's easier said than done. But something is haunting you right now. And the only way for it to no longer haunt you is to face it head on. This is a clear affirmation that you might want to seek help from family, friends, and this is also an affirmation that you have everything it takes. You have the resources within you to overcome whatever blocker it is that you're facing right now. If you are resonating with the wedding plans, the delays are there for you to shift focus on what matters, at least for this moment. So I guess I would have to leave it at that. Thank you, Gemini, and I hope to see you next time. My name is A. See you soon. Bye.